So hey guys, today we're gonna do the super Why would you do that, Ezra? Oh my god. Okay, so as I was saying, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create these earrings. You will need some newspaper, some regular wood pieces, you need some resin if you want it. You don't have to have it. You can use Mod Podge. It really doesn't matter. You'll get the same effect, but I use resin to have a more permanent effect and to seal my paper in more, but the Mod Podge will work just fine. Oh, but let me show you some more of these that I made so that you can kind of get an idea of, you know, just how cute these are. Yay! They are so gorgeous. I love them. And here's another pair that I made that I think are cute too. So oh, got tangled. Maybe not. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we go. Cute, cute, cute. I like them. Little old school. You know how we used to do. This just bringing back the old stuff that we used to have. You know, we used to do. Cute. So grab you some newspaper, some wood pieces, some Mod Podge, paint. You're gonna need your paint brushes. Let's see what else you're gonna need. You need you some bling if you want some bling. If you don't want bling, that's fine.
And you need a hammer. On screen, you need this type of hammer. If you don't have this type of hammer, just click off of this video right now. Ow.
Pay him no mind. Okay, so those are a few things that you need, and we're gonna get started because this is a super quick, easy video, and like I said, nothing to it but to do it. So let's get started. Thank you, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day. We're gonna start out by painting our pieces black on both sides, front and back. We're going to allow our wood pieces to dry, and we're going to go ahead and cut out our words. We're going to try to stay in the same theme with our wording so that it can kind of flow together. Now I pretty much got everything that I'm going to use, and I am going to take my Mod Podge and put it on my wood piece, and then I'm going to start adding my words. So next we're going to take our Mod Podge and just cover all the pieces up and let it dry. So while this is drying, we're going to go ahead and get our design elements out and our hardware. We will also be using UV resin. So we're going to keep these earrings super simple, meaning we're not going to put on too much bling because we want the words to speak for themselves. They are the statement piece of these earrings. So now we're going to add our hook and our earring chain. We're going to secure it with the UV resin. And that's it, guys. This is super cute and easy way to express yourself non-verbally. I hope that you had fun with me while we were creating this video, and I hope that you will go out and create some of your own. Thank you for visiting my channel. I appreciate it and I love you. Thank you for subscribing. Much love. And everybody have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.